Okay, so I woke up and someone had posted this website, and I clicked on it, and after you watch this video, you'll kind of get the idea of what was on that video. But and my cat got to watching it, so I just sat there and I just recorded my cat watching it. And I mean, she watched it for a good 5 minutes. I had to cut the clips down because she watched it for so long. But yeah, so here's my cat watching this video. So now my question to you is there anything that your animals love? Like like my cat, just loving to watch that. Um, is there a toy that they like? Is there a video that they could watch all day? I mean, my dog watches TV, so is there just anything really weird that they just really like?